everyone, welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and we are working on the Java series using Bluej. And in the last video, I have discussed if-else statement. That is the conditional we were working on the statements, control statements we were working. And if-else condition we have seen. This is a conditional statement, or you can say selective statement it was. And now I am going to tell one more program, like even odd program we have done in the previous lecture. If you have not seen that, you can just go and check the previous lectures. In this particular program video, I am going to tell multiple of 3 program, like mult of 3. I am taking the name, and basically what we have to do, we have to take a number as input, and there we will just check that that number is a multiple of 3 or not. So the question I am just writing here. You can just take the notes of these particular programs and it will be really helpful for you. So write a program to input a number and check if it is a multiple of 3 or not. This is the question. Write a program to input a number and check whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. So for that we have to input a number. So I'm just taking import java.util.scanner. Then I'm taking class, as I have taken mult of 3, the name of the class. So the same name we have to take. Then I'm taking public static void main string args. Then the object of scanner I'm creating. After that we will just take the number input. Suppose the number I have taken n. System.out.println, we will ask the user to input a number. Enter a number. Then we will take n equals to ob dot next int. And now we will just check the condition. Similarly, as we were doing in the previous program, similarly we will do here also. This if else we have to take. So I'm just checking if n mod 3 equal to 0. So when a number will be a multiple of 3, it will be a multiple of 3 if it is completely divided by 3 and we are not getting any remainder. So if we are getting some remainder, that means it is not divisible. So system.out.println n is a multiple of 3. This we can just print n is a multiple of 3. Else n is not a multiple of 3. So in the else we can just print n is not a multiple of 3. So if the condition of if will be false, then it will not be a multiple of 3. So this way we can just check whether a number is multiple of 3 or not. This is a complete program, you can see. I'm just going to compile it and we will run it now. Suppose a number 45, and you know this is a multiple of 3. So 45 is a multiple of 3. The multiple of 3 would be those numbers which are coming in the table of 3. Okay, that is multiple of 3. And I'm now going to take a number which is not a multiple of 3. Suppose let's take 79. So it's not a multiple of 3. This way we can just check different numbers and you can just check it and you will understand that how it is working. I hope this program is clear. If you are having some confusion, you can just drop your query into the comment section. You can also check the playlist section for different videos. Here on the playlist section you will get one more Java series, the theory lecture series. This series also you can refer for your theory lectures, like theoretical content. For theoretical content you can refer this series, it would be helpful for you. And the Java Bluej series is this one which you are already studying. Apart from that, you can also check this Java program series. It is not using Bluej, but then also there are a lot of content available. The codes will be remaining same. Like if you are studying Bluej, then also the code which we have used here will be same. We are not using Bluej, but then also the code will be same. But yes, don't worry, in the Bluej series also I will upload complete content for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. In any class, if you are having your core Java and you are working on Bluej, either in your graduations also, if you are having that, so this series would be helpful. And I will just create the complete series with the theoretical and the practical lectures in this particular Java using Bluej Software series. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell. Please share the videos with your friends. Please share the channel link with your friends. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. The link of WhatsApp group is in the description box, and you can also follow us, the Framework Educational Hub channel, on Instagram and Facebook as well. See you in the next lecture.